Mastering certainty. Falling intonation in tag questions. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today we are diving deep into the world of conversational English. We're going to focus on tag questions, and specifically, on pronunciation and intonation. We all know how tag questions help in seeking confirmation or agreement, but have you ever thought about how pronunciation and intonation can change the meaning? Well, you're about to find out. Let's explore how using falling intonation can express certainty in tag questions. First things first, let's briefly touch on what tag questions are. Tag questions are small questions that are added to the end of sentences, such as, "It's a beautiful day, isn't it?" Or, "You're coming to the party, aren't you?" They're used to confirm information or assumptions, and the way we pronounce them can dramatically change their meaning. Now, onto the meat of our topic: falling intonation in tag questions. When we are pretty sure of something and we're just looking for agreement, we use a falling intonation. In simple terms, our voice goes down at the end of the sentence. It's like we're stating a fact, but we're adding the tag question as a formality or to involve the listener. An example might be, "The sky is blue, isn't it?" You've seen the sky, and you're pretty sure it's blue. Your voice drops at the end of the sentence because you're not really asking. You're telling. It's a subtle way of showing that you're confident in your statement. Time to practice. Let's try some sentences together. I'll say them first with a falling intonation, and then it's your turn. 1. This is a great video, isn't it? 2. You're learning a lot, aren't you? 3. English is an interesting language, isn't it? Remember, your voice should go down at the end of these sentences, indicating that you're certain of what you're saying. And there you have it. A quick guide to using falling intonation in tag questions to express certainty. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'm sure you'll master this technique with a little practice. Remember, the more you practice, the more naturally it will come to you. So, keep talking, keep practicing, and keep exploring the fascinating world of English. Until next time, happy learning!